Uh, Next you see, next question. What the question is? HCF of 90, 96 and 10 is asking. For that, what the simple process is that first you divide 96 with the 90. Okay? 91 is 90. And what's the remainder you get? 6. Again, you divide divisor 90 with the 6. What you get? 6 1 is 6. 9 minus 6, 30. 6 5 are 30. Remainder is what? 0. Now you see, what is the meaning of 6? Here, 6 is the HCF of 90 and 96. Now you see, HCF of 90 and 96 is 6. And what is the other remaining? It is the 10 is remaining. Now, find the HCF of 6 and 10. It will be completed. 6 1 ja 6. 10 minus 6, how much you get? You will get 4. Again divide 6. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, how much you will get? 2. Divide this divisor with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, how much? You will get the answer as a 2. And what is there? What answer you will get as a answer as a 2, and it is a option A. And you see, next question. Next question is a very simple as given. Why the simple is that is just the multiplication you have to do. You see, next question. See, what is there? 67.395 into 7 is the question. What is the process here? Just simply you have to do the multiplication. Okay, do it. 67.395. You do directly here. 7 5s are 35. 7 9s are 63 plus 3. How much you'll get? 66. 7 3s are 21 plus 6. 27.77 are 49 plus 2. 51. 7 6 are 42 plus 5. What will get? You get 47. What is the answer? 471.765 is the answer. And what is it? Is the option D. And you see, for this type of questions, you can do the rough work on the question paper only. You need not write again this number and do the multiplication. You may do directly. Okay. And you see, next question. It is a somewhat tricky question is asking. What the question is asking? The smallest composite number is asking. Okay. Okay. From the first numbers, you write all the prime numbers and composite numbers. You see? First, you write the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there now. Now you see, 1 is neither prime nor composite, therefore the 1 is deleted. And you see, 2 is a prime number, therefore it is also deleted. Next one you see, 3 is a prime number, therefore it is also deleted. And what is their first composite number? It is a 4. Therefore, what is the answer we get? We get the 4 as the answer, and option is which one? Option is the A. Next question. It is what is asking? Find the value of A, B, C. If A is equal to how much? 18. B is equal to how much? 10. And C is equal to how much? It will be 6. And you see here. What is asking? He is asking find the value of ABC. ABC means what? A into B into C. First you do 18 into 10, how much? 180. 180 into 6 you do. What is the answer you get? 6 zeros are 0. 6 eights are 48. 6 1 is 6 plus 4, 10. It will be what? 1080. And I think the answer will be somewhat, he has not given the right answer, I think so. But you'll get the answer as what? 1080 only. And next one you see, if 3 by 4 is equivalent to what? X by 24, then what you have to find? Then the value of x you have to find. That means x is the question, right? What is given? 3 by 4 is equivalent to x by 24, right? Write this one. 3 by 4 is equal to what? X by 24. And what you have to find? You have to find the value of x. Now we see this 24 is in what division? Transport to the LHS. What it becomes? 3 by 4 into 24 is equal to what it will be? It will be x. 4 ones are 4 6 are. Okay, 3 6 are how much? X equal to how much you get? We'll get it as a 18. Okay, answer it will be what? 18. And what the answer? It is the option B. It will be 18. The next question. What is the next question number? Not. It is the one page is completed. The question number is 161 is asking. Question number 161. What is asking, you see, instead of asking to find the LCM, what is asking? Amit exercises every 12 days and Ishan every 8 days. Ajay and Ishan both exercised today, but I think this is not Ajay, this is also Amit. Amit and Ishan both exercised today. Means today they have on both day, both of them have exercised. Let Amit name is A and Ishan name will be I. You see how many days it will be until they exercise together again. Now you see they have started exercise on the same day, but Amit exercise after how many days? He exercises after how many days? Exercises after 12 days. Okay, you see. He exercises after 12 days, but Ishan exercises after 8 days only. That means they both can't do exercise on the same day. But what you have to do, you have to find the LCM days of these two numbers, 12 and 8. You see, for that you have to find the LCM numbers of 8, 12. 2 4s are what will get 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now you see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. What is there? What is there? How many days will be until they exercise together again? After how many days they will again they will work together? 24. Because you see, after 12 days, Amit works. This exercise. Again after 12 days, he exercises. Is it right? From starting to end, how many days have completed? 24 days have been completed. Right? Now you see, this Ishan works out after 8 days, and next again after 8 days, 16 days, and again after 8 days. Now we see 24 days. That means after the gap of 24 days, both will work, do the exercises on the same day. Therefore, option will be what? Option will be 24. Next question. Next question, you see, the difference between the greatest two-digit number and the least two-digit number is asking. Just simple. What is the difference between greatest two-digit number? No, what is the greatest two-digit number? Greatest two-digit number means two nines. Greatest three-digit number means three nines. Greatest four-digit number means four nines. And what you want? Greatest two-digit number you want. What is the greatest two-digit number? It is 99, right? And next one, least two-digit number. What is the least two-digit number? Least two-digit number is 10. What is the difference you will get? It is very simple. It is 89. You have to keep the option as a 89. Next one, it's somewhat tough question, please. Not tough question, but it's a somewhat tricky question. 10 men can do a piece of work in 4 days. How many will be required to get the same work done in how many days? In how many days work should be completed? In 5 days, the work should be get completed. Now we see, 10 men can do a piece of work in 4 days. Okay? 10 men can do a piece of work in how many days? 4 days. Now you see, to work in 5 days, how many men will be required to get same work done in 5 days? That means, you see, the days are increasing or decreasing here. Days are increasing. That's why. What happens to men? We don't need 10 men. Some men can be deleted. Then we can complete it in 5 days. Now we see for that. What is the formula? We will have general formula. It will be M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2 will be the formula. And what we need? We need the M2. M2 is equal to M1 D1 by D2. What is the M1 D1? Do it first. 10 into 4 will get 40. And what is the D2? D2 is the 3 by 5. 5 ones are 5 eights. And what is the answer we get? We need 8 men to complete the work in how many days? In 5 days. Therefore, answer will be 8 and option will be the first one. Now moving to the next question. Question number 164. It is the most easiest question I think, that is the greatest 5-digit number he is asking. What is asking? He is asking the greatest 5-digit number. Previous one I said greatest 2-digit number means 2 nines. Greatest 3-digit number means 3 nines. Greatest 4-digit number means 4 nines. Greatest 5-digit 5 nines only. Check it. Is there only this option there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines are there. It is the greatest 5-digit number. Answer is what is that? 99,999. Option A. Next one you see the decimal form of 30 plus 7 plus what is asking 2 by 100. Nothing is there. Just he is asking the addition. What is there you see? 30 is the first one. Next is the 7. Next one you see 2 by 100 means what? It is a 0.02 only. Add 2, 0, 7, 37. What will get? 37.02 will get, and our answer is a option D. Next one is saying the sum of minus 36 and 29. He is not asking 36 and 29. What he is asking? He is asking minus 36 and 29. You see, for these questions, minus 36 plus 29. It is a real writing in the numbers. Minus 36 plus 29. Now, what you have to do? Minus into plus. What it will be? Minus. For that, what you have to do? You have to do minus only. 56 minus 29, how much it will be? It will be 7. And now you see, minus is a symbol for 36, plus is a symbol for 29. Okay? And you have to always place the number which is the symbol which is before the greatest number. Before 36, what is the symbol? Minus is there. Therefore, you have to add a minus. Therefore, what the answer you will get? You will get the answer as a minus 7. And y is given, you see, you will definitely give the 7. You see here, you will give the 7 because they will do it directly 36 minus 29, they will do, and they will keep the 7. 7 is the wrong. If what you have to do, you have to place the symbol which is before the largest number. That will be minus 7 is the answer for the question number 166. And next one is asking the multiplication only. 8.680 into 12 is asking. Okay. For that, you should not write again. Directly you have to do it. 12 zeros are 0. 12 eights are 96. 12 six are 72 plus 9, 81. 12 eights are 96 plus 8, 104. And you see 104.16 is there. But in option what is given? 104.16 is given, but 0 is not given. You see, after the decimal point and after the last number, there is no value for the zeros. How many zeros you may keep? There is no value. Therefore, he has not given 0. And what is the answer you get? 104.16 is the right answer, and answer will be the option B. And next one, what is the question you see? The product of two numbers is 10,800. If one number is what? 90, what is the other number is asking? It's very simple because you see the product of two numbers is what? 10,800. That means, and one of the number is what? 90. 90 into x, because we don't know one number, let it be x. Equal to what you get? 10,800. Okay. X X is multiplication with the 90. If you transpose 90 from LHS to RHS, what it will be? It will become division. Okay, by 90. 0, 0 cancel. And you see, 9 ones are 9. What is the remaining? 1 is the remaining. It becomes 18. 9 to the 18. And what is the, you see, 1 0 is remaining here. You have to keep here. X equal to how much you get? You will get the 120. And you see, where is the 120? It is the option D. Option D is the right answer for the question number 168. And next you see, mass is not always just the numbers. Will be asked in like the statement also. Question you see, the sum, I think it is sum. He has mistaken that one. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is always what? Divisible by. He's asking 3 or 9 or 15 or 21 or asking. Okay. Now you see, what you do is that you take any three consecutive odd numbers. First, 1, 3, 5. And you see, added 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, how much? 9. 9 is divisible by 3 and 9 is divisible by 9. But you should not check with one example. You have to check with 2 or more. And you take other three odd numbers consecutive. 7, 9, 7, 9, and 11. What it will be? It will be 27. 27 is divisible by what? It is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 9. Okay. Now you see, you take these numbers 1, 3, 5. What is the answer you get? You will get the 9. It is also divisible by what? It is also divisible by 3 and 9. You see, for the both, what I get, you got the 3 and the 9 as the answer. And you see, you will be the confused here. Now you take another example also. What is it? You take 15 and 17 and 19. What will get? 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7 will get 32. 32 plus 19. How much you'll get? You'll get 51. We divide 51. It will be dissolved by only 3. It is not dissolved by what? 9. 5 plus 1, 6. No, 6 will be dissolved by 3. Therefore, 51 is dissolved by what? 3. It is not dissolved by 9. And you see, if you look at the first two examples, it will be get confused. Therefore, you have to try with the more examples for the questions like this. Okay. And what is the answer you got here? You got the answer as a 3 and the option is the A. Next, you see, we are going to look at the next one. The similar question is given here. What is there? The sum of three consecutive integers is what? Is 51. And what you have to find? You have to find the what? It's very important. What you have to find? You have to find the middle one. Okay. Now we see, we don't know the consecutive integers. Therefore, let it be A. Consecutive means what? It should be the next one. What is the next after next number? For example, what will be the next number after 2? 3. That means 2 plus 1, 3. What will be the next number for 7? 7 plus 1, 8. Similarly, what is the consecutive for A? It will be A plus 1. And what is the consecutive number for next one? You will get A plus 2. And what is asking the sum of three consecutive integers will be equal to what? 51. That's why what you have to do? A plus 1 plus A plus 2 is equal to how much you will get? You will get the 51, right? A plus A. How much? 3A. Plus 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to what has given? He has given it as a 51. Okay, you see, 3 is a common. A plus 1 is equal to 51 by 3. Cancel it, you will get 27, right? What you will get? You will get the 27. And plus 1, if you go this side, what it becomes? It becomes minus 1 and it will be what? It will be 26. Therefore, first integer is 26. A is 26. No? First integer A is 26. Next one what? 26 plus 1, it will be 27. And next one will be 28. Therefore, 26, 27 and 28 is the answer what you got. But what is asking? He is asking What is there? No, no. You see, there is a small confusion. First one, A. Seven, seven. Okay, you see, A plus 1, A plus 2. If you add that both, what you'll get? 3A plus 3 is equal to how much you'll get? You'll get 51. Okay. A plus 1. Why I have written A plus 1? Because I have taken the common 3 is equal to 51. A plus 1 is equal to 51 by 3. What will get? 3 ones are 3, 7 you'll get. A is equal to 16. A plus 1 is equal to what will get? 17. A plus 2 is equal to what will get? You'll get the 18. What is asking? Is asking the middle number. Therefore, what is the middle number here? It is the 17. You get the option D as the correct. And the next one, it's a very simple. You should not use the board now. What is asking? The ages of Ajay, Amit, and Satish are of course 10, 12, and 14 years respectively. And what you have to find? You have to find the average. What is the average you will get for not only for the ages, for the anything? Average means sum of the quantities by number of quantities, whatever it may be the topic is. Now here, as the ages are there, what you have to do? You have to add the ages. 10 plus 12, what you get? 22. 22 plus 14, how much you get? 36. 36. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3. 36 by 3. What will get? You will get the answer as a 12. And check the 12. Which is option? It's the option B. Is a 12. It's the right answer. And this is the next one. The product of two prime numbers is what? 117. And their LCM is how much? Their LCM is, you see, not only this one, you take any two prime numbers, their LCM will be equal to the product of that numbers only. Not only 117. You take, for example, what is that? 6 you take. 6 we can get by multiplication of 2 and 3. This 2 and 3 are what? Co-primes. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? You will get the 6 only. That means if the product of number is given, then the LCM of that numbers will also be given product only. This is the direct answer. You can write directly 117. It is the 117 you will get. Next question is it is a completing of a series 1, 8, 27 and 6, 4, 64. How you see? 1, it will be 1 cube. 8, it will be what? 2 cube. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Next one, 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 cube. Next one, 4 cube. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Next one will be what? 5 cube. 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125. What is the answer there? It is the 125. Option D is the right answer for this question. Question number 173. And next you see, if 75% of a number is what? 75% of a number is 15. What you have to do? You have to find the number. Now you see, 75% of a number is what? 15. Now, you see, write the question. This question in the numbers. 75% means for every 100, 75%. Half means into half a number is there. We don't know number. Let it will be a 75% of a number is what? 15. Okay, now you see 75 by 100 is in multiplication with the a and it will be equal to what? It will be equal to 15. Transpose this whole fraction to the RHS. What it will be? A is equal to 15 into 100 by 75 you get. Okay. Cancel it. 15 ones are 15 fives are 5 ones are 5 20s are. What will get? A is equal to how much? A is 20. Check the 20 in the options. What is there? It is option A only. Option A is the right answer for this question. Okay. Next you see median. Mean, median, mode. From the topic has been this question. What is it? Median of the data. Okay. Mode means the most repeating number is a mode. Mean means you have to sum all the numbers and you have to divide with the numbers. And what is here is asking the median. For that, what you have to do is you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order first, and you have to find the middle number. How many numbers are here? They count first. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. And you arrange them in the ascending order and descending order. First ascending order, you see. What is the smallest number here? 12. 12 is the smallest numbers are here, no? Arrange in the ascending order. 12, 12. Is there any other 12? No. 13, 13. 13, 13 completed. Is there any other 13? No. Next to right, 14, 14, 14. Okay. And we have completed 14, 14, 14 also. And what are the remaining? 16, 19. Okay. Now you see, median means after arranging the ascending order, you have to select the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is there, no? What are the middle one? First, we remove the first 4 and you will remove the next 4. What will be the middle? It will be the 14. And what answer you will get? We'll get the answer as a 14. 14 is the right answer for this question number 75. Now we see what is asking the value of minus 3 of 3 minus 2 minus 3 bracket closed plus 5 minus 7. For this questions solve directly. First go to the bracket which is present at the internal. Local. For this, go to this bracket. 2 minus 3. How much you'll get? You'll get minus 1. Write this as a minus 1. Minus of 3 minus 2 minus 3. How much you'll get? You'll get the minus 1 plus 5 minus 7. Right? You see? What you get? Minus into minus, it will be plus 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 7. What will you get? You see, 9 minus 7 will get 2. And what is the symbol is here? It's the minus. Therefore, what the option will get? You get the minus 2 and it's the option A is the correct answer for the question number 176. It's a wow, very good question is there. Question number 177. Ramesh packed how many apples? Ramesh packed 1350 apples equally. Okay. But into bags of 5 apples. That means each bag contains how many apples? Each bag contains 5 apples. Question what is asking is that there are total 1350 apples are there. What he did? Who? Ramesh, what he has did? He has packed all the apples in the bags. Each contain how many apples? 5 apples. Now, what they are asking is that how many bags does Ramesh need to pack whole 1350 apples? For this simple question, Ram, divide 1350 with the 5. Okay? 5 twos are, then you will get 5 sevens are 35, 0 is remaining, 0 will get answer as the 270. Option B is the right answer for question number 177. Next, I am a prime number. Who am I? I am a prime number. If you subtract 1 from me, I will become divisible by 9. Who am I? Simple. Check it. 29 minus 1. How much? 28. Is 28 divisible by 9? No. Therefore, eliminate first option. Next one is 17. 17 minus how much? 16. Is 16 divisible by 9? No. Eliminate second option. Next, 11 minus 1, how much? You will get 10. Is 10 divisible by 9? No. Eliminate D option. Look at the next. B option, 19 minus 1, how much you get? 18. 18 will be divisible by 9. Yes, 9 to the 18. Therefore, answer will be what? Answer will be option B. It is a 19. Okay. And next one, what is asking? The smallest 5-digit number which is divisible by what? Which is divisible by 19 is asking. Let me see. For these questions, you have to check. There is no option. 10019. Cancel with the 19. What will get 19 5s are, what will get 19 5s are 95 and the what will be 51. 19 2s are 38, 19 2s are 38 only. Okay. 38 and what's the remaining here? 13 remaining. 139 is 139 divided by 19? No, therefore this is not the correct answer. Option 1 is eliminated. Go to option second. What is that? 10013. Okay. Divide with 19. Check whether it is divisible by 19 or not. Okay. 19. 19 paisa. What will get 19 paisa? 95. And will get 19 twos. What will get 38. 30. Next 13. You check it. 19 7 how much? 19 7 ja 63, 7 1 ja 7 plus 6 13. It, it will be what? 527 and it will be what? It will be dissolved by 19. And you see, among all the given numbers, 10,013 is only the smallest 5-digit number because if it is dissolved by also, it is somewhat greater and it is not dissolved by 19 and it is also not dissolved by 19. It is also not dissolved by 19. Therefore, what is the correct answer? Option B is the correct, correct option for the question number 179. And next one, what is asking is that it is a very simple question. The boy gets 25 marks out of 80. How many marks he has got? 25 marks. And he has failed by how many marks? He has not yet passed. He has failed by how many marks? He has failed by 15 marks. Okay. Now you see, he has got 25 marks he has got. And in order to pass, how many marks he has to get? 15. 25 plus 15 means how much? 25 plus 15 means how much? 40. That means he has to get the 40 marks in order to pass. And what is asking? Find the percentage of pass marks. That means you have to find the percentage of 40 in what? In 80. In 80 into 100. 40 ones are 42 are. 2 ones are 2 50 are. Answer what will get? You will get the 50% for the question number 180. Okay. And this is same. This is like the previous question that what time at work. This question. 36 boys can do a piece of work in 49 days. 36 boys can do a piece of work in how many days? In 49 days. How many extra boys should be engaged so that work may be finished in how many days? Work is getting finished in 29 days. But in case of emergency, what they want? They want to complete the work only in the 21 days. And what is the question is asking? How many extra boys we need is the question. Obviously, 36 boys are already working and the question work will be completed in 49 days. Now, in order to complete in 21 days, we need to hire more persons. Okay? It is the question here. We know simple. Previous formula only. M2 is equal to M1 D1 by D2. You have to do. What is M1 D1? 36 into 49 by 21. Okay? Cancellation process. 7 7 ja 49, 7 3 ja 21, 3 1 ja 3 12 ja 12 7 ja 84. Now we see we need total 84 persons in order to complete the work in how many days? In order to complete work in the 21 days. What is asking? Is asking is that how many extra boys we need? How many extra boys we need? We need total 84. Already how many are working? 36 are working. Now how many extra we need? For that subtract 84 minus 36. What will get? 8. 7 minus 3. How much you will get? You will get the 4. What is the answer you will get? You will get the 48. 48 is the right answer for the question number 181. Option D. Okay. Option D. Next one is it's a simplification process. Simplification process. What is there? 2.5 plus 2.5 divided by 0.5 into 2 minus 4. Now we see for these questions, we should not solve the first two, second two, and next we should not proceed like that. Then first, what is you have to do? First, you have to do division. Next, you have to do multiplication. Next, addition. Next, subtraction. You have to do. What is the division there? 2.5 divided by 0.5. Okay. Write the question. 2.5 plus 2.5 divided by 2.5 divided by what? 0.5 into 2 minus 4. You see, 2.5 by 0.5. You can eliminate decimals from the both. If they have same number of digits only, then we can eliminate 2.5 plus 25 by 5 into 2 minus 4. 5 5 are 25. 2.5 plus 5 into 2. How much you get? 5 into 2. You will get the 10. You see here, why I am not adding 2.5 plus 5? Because what is there? What is the process you have to do? First, you have to do division. Next, you have to do multiplication only. You should not do addition. After the completion of multiplication, only you have to go for addition. Okay. Now you see 10.5 plus 10 minus 4 is there. And after multiplication, what you have to do? You have to do the addition. 2.5 plus 10. How much you'll get? 12.5. 12.5 minus 4 is equal to how much you'll get? You'll get the 8.5. 8.5 is the correct answer for the question number 182. Option number B is the right answer. Okay. Next one is see what do you want? The HCF of 12 and 16 we need. What do you want? The highest common factor of 12 and 16. It is simple, no? What you can do? Divide 16 with the 12. 12 ones are 12. 4. Divide 4. 12 with the 4. 4 3s are 12. What the answer you will get? What answer you will get? It as a 4 is the right answer for the question number 184 is the right answer. Okay. Next one. You see question number 185 you see the greatest 8-digit number with the given digits 5, 8, 7, 5, 2, 0, 6 and 1. How many digits he has given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is given. And what is asking? Is asking the greatest 8-digit number. For that, since in order to write the greatest number, what you can do is that among all these numbers, select the greatest number. What is the greatest number here? Among all these numbers, first is the 8, no? After that, write the next greatest number. What is that? 7. And next 6. And next 5. 8 completed, 7 completed, 6 completed, 5 completed. And you see, he has given 5 two times. Therefore, you have to write 5 two times only. And this 5 also completed. And what is the next one? 2. And what is the next one? 1. And what next one? 0. Check the question. 8, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 2, 1, 0. Option D is the correct answer for the question number 185. And you see, if we ask to write the smallest 8-digit number, if we give the same question, you see, in order to write the largest number, what you have did, we have written the first largest number 8. If we want to write the smallest number, we should not write 0 first. You should not write 0 first. If you write like this 0, 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, it will be wrong because 0 doesn't have any value and it will become only 7-digit number. Okay, for that, what you have to do? You have to keep the 0 after the first smallest digit. Okay, the answer will be 1, 0, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have the smallest number, here it is not asked. Okay, if the only largest is asked, answer will be what? This one, option D. It's very simple and tricky question. He's asking what is the exponent of 8. He's asking the exponent of 8. Exponent is power. What is the power of 8? For example, you see, you check the option. Let the answer will be 0. 8 power 0. Power of 0 to any number answer will become 1. But what is there? Here it is only 8. Let it will be 8 power of 1. 8 power of 1 is equal to what? 8 only. Okay. See, this is a simple and confusing question. Question number 186. Option B you will get. This is the right answer. And next one you see the difference between the predecessor and successor of 1 million. This question you don't need 1 million, 1 trillion, whatever it may be. The predecessor and successor of any number, the difference will be always same. That will be 2. For example, you see, instead of 1 million, you take 100. What is the successor? It will be 101. What is the predecessor of 100? It will be 99. 101 minus 99, how much you will get? You will get 2. Not only 100, not only 1 million, not only 1 trillion, whatever you will take, the difference between the predecessor and successor of a same number, it will be always equal to 2 only. Therefore, option 2 is B is the correct answer for the question number 187. Okay. Next, you see, find the missing number in the box in the following proportion. It's very simple. 12 5 is how much? 16. That means if you multiply the first number with the 5, what you got? You got the second number. Simple. Here also, if you multiply the 4 with the 5, what will get? You get 20. But what has given? He has given 5. What will be 1? 1 into 5, how much? 500. Therefore, correct answer will be the option A, 188. Okay. Find the greatest number which will be exactly divisible by what? Which will be exactly divisible by what? 200 and 300. What is asking? Find the greatest number which will exactly divide 200 and 300. What he is asking is that he is asking the highest common factor. Highest common factor is asking. Instead of asking directly HCF, he is saying that what you need? Find the greatest number which will exactly divide which one? 200 and 300. Okay. For that, what you have to do? You have to find the HCF. Okay? Find the HCF for the 320 and 200. 220 ones, 200 ones, 200s. What is there? 120. Divide again 200 with the remainder. 120 ones, 120s. You have to do the process until you get the remainder 0. 200 minus 120 how much? 80. 120. 80 ones are 80. 120 minus 80 how much? 40. Again divide this divisor with the remainder what you got? 42 is 80. Answer is completed. And what the answer you get? You get the 40 is the highest common factor for what? 200 and 300. You get the option D as the right answer for the question number 189. Okay. Next one you see. Simple question. I was asking this question. Write the smallest 3-digit number. Write the smallest 3-digit number which will not change on reversing the digits. That means you have to write the smallest number which on the reversing the digits also should remain so. For example, you see 408. You reverse it 408. What it will be? 804. Means on the reversing the number, you are not getting the same number. Okay. For example, you take 404. Reverse the number. What you get? You get again 404 only. Okay. Now we see what is asking. Write the smallest 3-digit number you want. From this, check this 100. If you reverse the 100, what will get? 001. This is 100 and this is the 1. Therefore, option 1 is the wrong answer. 888. If you reverse the 888, you will get the same number. But it is not the smallest number. There are other numbers are also there. 999. If you reverse the 999, you will get 999. And you will get the last one, 101. You reverse it, what you will get? You will get the same number, 101 only. What you need is asking the smallest 3-digit number. You see, this also satisfies the condition. But what is asking among all the B, C, and D, smallest is the D option is the smallest. Okay. Option D is the right answer for question number 190. Next simple question. Anju scored how many marks? 39. Out of how many marks? 60. And what you have to find? You have to find percentage. Okay. Percentage to find it. What you have to do? You have to first take how many marks he has got and take total marks and percent. Therefore, multiply with the what? 100. 20 3s are 20 5s are 3 1s are 3 13s are 13 5 how much? 65% is the right answer for this question. 65% is the correct answer for the question number 191. Okay. Okay, you see, he's asking a question. Find the length of a rectangular playground. There is a rectangular playground. Let this will be the some rectangular playground is there in centimeter whose area is 700 square meters means 700 meters square this one. This means total area is how much? 700 meters square is the area. And breadth is how much? This means this breadth is how much? This is the 25 meter. And this is also how much? This is 25 and this is also how much? 25. This is a given data. And what is asking? Is asking to find the length. You see, what is the area of the rectangular formula? Length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to area of the how much? 700. Okay. But already breadth is given. Okay. What you have to find? You have to find the length. Length is equal to 700 by 25. Why by 25? Because into 25 you know. If into multiplication LHS, if it goes RHS, it will be it goes into the division. Okay. Come to the division process. 5 by 5 are 25. 5 ones are 5 5 4 are 20 zeros. 5 ones are 5 5 twos are 10. 5 eights are length equal to how much you will get? Length is equal to 28 meters for the question number what? Question number 192. What is the answer? It is the 28. Therefore, length will be what here? 28 and this also what? 28. And sometimes by giving the question like this, he may ask to find the perimeter also. Then what you have to do? You have to add all this 25 plus 28 plus 25 plus 28 and not fill. Here he is not asked to, he asked only the length. Therefore, 28 is the right answer. Okay. Next one you see, what is the least number? What is the least number which when divided by 24 and 36 leaves in each case the same remainder how much? In the how much remainder is leaved there? 8. You see, whenever is asked to find the least number when divided by if this is repeated, first what you have to do is that first you have to find the LCM. What do you have to do? You have to find the LCM you have to find. Okay. 24 and 36, find the LCM. 2 12s, 2 2 18s. Next one, 2 6, 2 9s, 3 2s, 3 3s. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s how much? 70 to the LCM. 72 is the LCM. And you see, what you have to get? You have to get the remainder. How much you get? You have to get the remainder 8. Now you see, if you divide 72 with the 24 and 36, you will get the remainder 0 only. But what you need? You need the remainder 8. In order to get the remainder 8, simple. Add 8 to the 72. 72 plus 8. How much you will get? You will get the answer as a 80. Answer is the 80 and option C is the correct answer for the question number 193. Okay. Next one. The question is same similarly like previous question. What is it? Find the area of a square park. What is given? Whose perimeter is 640 meters. That means perimeter is given. Perimeter is how much? It is a 640. That means Okay. For this, what is that area? Perimeter is how much? 640 meters. That means if you add this side, this side, this side, and this side, if you add all the sides, that means 4s is equal to how much you get? You get the 640. Then what is the side? Side is equal to 4 is in the multiplication. If you go this side, it will be division. 640 by 4. No? 4, what is that? 4 16 ja, is equal to what you will get the 160 meter as the side. Okay, now you see 160 meter is what is the side of the square, and what you need the area of a square park. Area of a square park, area of a square park, square garden, square house, whatever it may be, area of a any square object, it will be what? Side into side. Now you see 160 into 160. Okay, 160 into 160. If you do 16, it will be what will get is 2, 5, 6, double zeros. You may do it and check it. We'll get the answer as you answer option B. Okay, next you see how many three-digit numbers are there in all. What is asking? How many three-digit numbers are there in total is asking. Now you see, first you write the smallest two-digit number, that is 99. No? And you see from the after the smallest two-digit number, what it becomes? Three-digit number. And where it ends at the thousand, right? Where it ends at the where it ends at the thousand. And what is asking how many three-digit numbers are there in all? That means starting number will be what? Starting number will be 100. And what is the last number? It will be 999. And if you count all these numbers, how much you will get? See, very important questions. First, after the 99, what it becomes? 100 it will become. Okay. Next one you see where it ends, it will end at 999. You subtract both, what will get? 999 minus 100. What will get? You will get 899. You see, we get 899, but 899 is not the correct answer. For that, what you have to do? You have to add this also, this 100 also. Then it will be 1. What will get? Will get the 900 as the right answer for the question number 195. Next is the question number 196. 0 divided by 27,523. 0 divided by 27,523. 0 divided by not only 27,000. 0 divided by 1 million. 0 divided by 1 lakh. 0 divided by 1 crore. Whatever the number is given, the answer will be always 0 only. What will you get? If you divide 0 with any number, you will get the answer what? You will get the answer as only 0. You should not go on calculation. Okay. Next one. Simple. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral. The sum of all angles of a triangle will be 180 degrees. And the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means you take any four. What will get a four angular shape? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you, if you add all the angles, you will get how much? You will get the 360 as the answer. Not only for the rectangle. If you take the square, if you take what you got parallel, whatever you take, if you add all the four angles, you get a 360 only. And you see what is asking the LCM of two numbers. The LCM of two numbers is how much? 28 times of their HCF. LCM is equal to simple. Right as given. LCM is equal to 28 times of HCF. Yes, right. This is asking. Okay. The sum of their LCM and HCF is how much? 1740. Now you see, add LCM plus HCF, it will be equal to what? 1740. Okay. Now you see, here LCM is equal to what? It is equal to what? Here LCM is 28 times of HCF. That means 28 HCF plus HCF is equal to 1740. Okay. 28 HCF plus 1 HCF. What is answer? You will get 29. Okay. 29 HCF is equal to 1740. Okay. Now we see transpose 29 from LHS to RHS. HCF will be what? 1740 by 29. Okay. Now we see what is there? 29. 29 into 5 you try. 5 nines are 45. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10 plus 4. How much you will get? It will be 14. Can I do it the other one? Okay. Next one. Try 29 into 6. 6 nines are 54. 6 twos are 12 plus 5. Or how much you'll get? 1740. That means 1740 by 29 is equal to what answer you are getting? You are getting the 6. That is HCF is equal to how much? HCF is equal to 6. And what is given? The LCM of number is 28 times of their HCF. Therefore, LCM is equal to, you have to multiply 6 into 28 because he has given in the question only. What is given? The LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. 6 into 28, how much you will get? 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, plus 4, 16. HCF is 64 and LCM is how much? 168. And what is asking? If one of the number is what? 240 and what is the other number? You see here, LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. Is equal to what? Is equal to product of numbers is a standard formula for this. And you see, HCF is what? HCF is 6 and LCM is what? 28. Okay. And what is the product? One of the number is what? 240 and other number is not given there. Okay. So 6 into 28 by 240 is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6 40s are